Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we are very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on our paid member section of our Guild website. You have a chance to win the project we're working on. You get that video as part of being a paid member. And our winner is Sarah Day. And this is her beautiful project that we are quilting up for her in the manner that she wishes, with the stitch out and thread and batting of her choice. So we're just going to continue here. It turned out to be a gorgeous, gorgeous project. I had kind of improvised on a couple of the corners due to the lack of the border fabric that I had, but nonetheless, I think it turned out amazing. Very, very nice. And I've used 100% white cotton batting. Okay, and the backing is a kind of creamy marble from Northcott, wide back, so there'll be no seams. I was a little hesitant when I started picking out the colors for this quilt about whether they would go together or not, and I know now they clearly do. They really do. I think I probably should have put a new bobbin in. Whoops, we may have to do that. Not a big deal. So the stitch out that she liked was the dragonfly, butterflies, and bumblebee and flower, with a couple other little leaves here and there, and it's looking really quite lovely when the GoPro gets back over to this side here. You can see a bit of the stitch out. I really like the color she chose. Orange would have looked lovely too if you really wanted to see it on the back. Same with a couple of greens. I think they also would have looked very nice. Even a gold. I think I picked a gold as well. Beautiful flower. Now they had you sectioning this project out in like strips of 9, like a 9 patch, but they obviously it's not a 9, well, it's 9 squares together, and then like 12 patch sort of thing, and then sticking it all, sewing down the seams and then putting it together. It looks really nice. Really, it came together quite fast actually. Once you got your pieces together, it really does come together fast. And it turned out to be 100 by 88 or something like that. It's a good size. 100 by 80. There's one of the beautiful butterflies there. Oops. Get a little thread. Stubborn. There we go. Now we are working on another beautiful new project. It's black, purple, and green, and some gray tones, bluey gray tones, and it's looking amazing. We're doing another video for that shortly for the paid members. Now if you'd like to go check us out and support us in a small way or a big way, that's completely up to you. We greatly appreciate it, and that's www.wesewit.com. We do lots for charity. We're always doing things for charity. Always feels good to give back. And beautiful. Love that yellow thread. Beautiful dragonfly. How does a dragon fly? So I have this going on in the center of the quilt, right to the dark blue little mini border here. And then I have another stitch out going out across here, but I want that to be a surprise to her. Another beautiful flower. I do like how the colors played off each other, between the blues and the greens, and then with the yellows, and then of course these ones had a bit of the tones of greens that were over in here, so it helped kind of bring it all together. But it was definitely a fun project to work on, and I'm glad the recipient loves it. Now I do believe I have some photos of us. We took, once we finished the top, we took it outside to take a picture because there wasn't enough space in here to lay it out. So hopefully Munchkin and editing could be able to put those up for you so you can see them, what the big quilt top looks like. I have some, these two blues here, the dark blue and the speckled blue or the dotted blue. I have them pieced as strip to strip to strip as opposite, and then that's the binding. I think that's going to look amazing. I really do. That little bit of mixed color as it goes around with that yellow really thick border, and then that other little pop of blues as it's going. So that'll look amazing. Beautiful. Let's tune the butterfly, the sideways butterfly. Love that big wing. Love that big wing. So pretty. And some of my favorite fabrics, that yellow that came all the way from like Singapore or Thailand. Beautiful. It's like an international quilt. I really like that orange polka dot. I really do. I like the way it just kind of frames each of the lightness of the squares. I really do. And this had that main color of this green and yellow and polka dot right down the center. And then of course the other side that's partially rolled, you can see it's just like this one right here. And it just brings all those beautiful colors together. Now you could have chose to have black in the center. I chose white because we were going something nice and light and hopefully like spring and airy sort of feel to it. But black with some, pastel-y colors or maybe some batiks or something, I think would look absolutely stunning in this layout for sure. And maybe a nice thick plain border or a nice big thick textured border. And of course you can put as many borders as you want. You don't have to do one thin and one big. You can put like 4 just as variegating, like 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. Have some fun with your fabric. That's what it's there for. All right, I think we'll let Walt finish stitching out just a little bit here for you, and I hope you all have an amazing, amazing day. Thank you for all your support and your likes and your comments and your thumbs up, and thank you for hitting that subscribe button. We greatly, greatly appreciate you here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. We send you big hugs. Okay, take care. See you soon. Bye.